Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, so I'm going to include a link in the description that'll take you to the product page so you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, and all that fun information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a cool, modern-looking adjustable floor lamp by a company called Sibrille. This is the box that's going to come in, so let's go ahead and put it together. It's super easy, and we'll show you all the features.
Okay, so install is very easy. It comes in parts, but it's already all attached. So all you're going to have to do is screw together the pole, and it takes no more than 4 to 5 minutes. Now, a few specs on the light itself. It has a 10-inch wide solid base, so that way it's not going to tip very easy. And it also is 6 feet tall total. Now, the light fixture is powered by LED, and it uses 20 watts of consumption. Now, one of the nice things, it has touch controls built on right onto the pole, but it also comes with a magnetic remote that can attach to the pole. Okay, so the remote at the very top has a 1-hour timer. You can adjust the brightness levels on the side and then the color temperature in the top. And then it has these preset modes at the bottom, which will automatically set the brightness and dimming level to the desired activity. Okay, so it's kind of hard to tell here with my camera because it kept adjusting, but it can dim from 5% to 100%. So by holding down the remote or the button on the device itself. It also has 4 color temperatures. So it has 3000 kelvins, 4000 kelvins, 5000 kelvins, and 6000 kelvins. So you can find just the perfect light that you want. The total light output is 1300 lumens, so keep that in mind. I personally like the setting where it has a nice warm light glow.
Okay guys, that is the ins and outs of this cool floor lamp. I really like the modern aspect of these kind of adjustable loops here. It kind of gives it a really cool pattern, and then you can angle it however you want, which is really just unique and different. And then the pole being magnetic for the remote, so you don't ever lose the remote, is really, really nice. But of course, if you do, it has those touch controls right on the pole itself. And that is the ins and outs. If there was something that I did not cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And like I said, check out the link in the description. I'll take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that fun information. And that is it until the next video. So you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.